Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Sophie Trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15 minutes chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that gold is still struggling for a direction. Usually, we love to do our analysis on our beloved hourly time frame, but right now the trading opportunities are almost negligible on the hourly time frame. So we have switched to the 15 minutes time frame. But here also we can see that overall the market structure is bullish. There is no doubt about it. Okay, but at this moment there is not much volume in the market. If volume is low, then obviously trading opportunities are almost zero. Okay, and to continue the upside, okay, it needs to form another higher high. Okay, if market fails to form a higher high, means if it fails to break 3370, then we can expect a sideways market or choppy market. So to continue the upside, it needs to break 3370. And if gold is not in a mode of going up, okay, then okay, it needs to break this particular low here. Okay, it needs to break 3320, or it needs to cross 3300. If it breaks 3300, then you can expect okay, the structure of the market has changed again. But okay, so these two things are very important for gold right now, and as long as gold is unable to break any one of them, we can expect a sideways market or choppy market, because now we can see that the momentum is slowly going down. Okay, previously market was in downtrend, then there was a sharp trend reversal, gold was bullish, but right now, okay, the volume is very low. And if we look at the economy calendar also today, we can see that during the US session, we do have a high impact news, but practically durable goods order, okay, is not going to have much impact. So we can say that we do not have any such news. Okay, tomorrow is important because of the FOMC minutes, but otherwise, okay, today during the US session also we can expect that it will just the technicals that will be dominating the market. And if we look at the market sentiment now, gold edges higher amid geopolitical tension. Gold holds decline. Okay, gold held its recent decline to around 3340 on Tuesday amid reduced safe haven demand, with investors assessing the prospects of improved trade ties between US and the EU. Gold falls as US delays to EU tariff eases safe haven buying. So overall, you can see the news. Okay, the news are also a little bit confused. We do not have a clear direction from the news as well. As a result, we can see the chart is struggling for a direction. And if we look at the forex sentiment meter, okay, where we can see the sentiment positions of the retail traders, you can see the forex sentiment meter is also okay. This is silver. Okay, the forex sentiment meter is also showing the confusion among the retail traders regarding the direction. We can see almost a 50-50 scenario here. So if gold remains sideways, do not be surprised, because okay, retailers, okay, and as well as the news, okay, everything is confused right now. And my dear friends, if you still have not joined the free Telegram community, please join from the link below, or you can also scan the QR code, because many times I do not get time to upload videos, so I just post the update here. For example, if anything changes during the US session, you will find it on the Telegram community. And please be careful, because there are lots of scams also going on in my name. For example, you can see this is okay, 30,000 subscribers community. It's a scam. Okay, I do not have such schemes going on. For example, this is also a scam going on in my name. So please be careful, my dear friends. Only join the community, okay, with the link in the description. And if you're looking for a reliable forex trading broker with low spread, then you can consider StarTrader, because many of you are still paying hundreds of pips to the broker every month. On StarTrader, on a standard account, the spread is not almost okay, only 17 on gold, no extra commission. And safety wise also, it's a top-notch broker because it has license from FCA, ASIC, SCA. You can see South Africa. Okay. They also provide compensation up to 20,000 euros. And if you're from India, okay, you will also get a swap free account. Okay, so feel free to check out StarTrader, and feel free to join StarTrader if you're looking for a safe broker with lowest spread in the industry. Okay, and everything is mentioned here on the website. The link will be in the description. Now let's discuss the trading opportunities. Okay, so first of all, we need to check the support around 3327 and 3323. So today this is the first support on the chart of gold where we can look for a buy position. Yesterday also we discussed about this level, and this level has done a very nice job. Today also this level is valid, but unlike yesterday, today it's not a very strong level because this level has done the job. Today you cannot expect the same performance, okay, because this level has also become too common. So during the day, okay, if market stays like this, then you can expect a bounce around this area. But during the US session, okay, if things change and you see that there are big red candles, then obviously you need to keep in mind that this level is no longer a strong support. So in that case, you can avoid. And if market breaks 3321, you can also look for a sell below it, because you can see if market breaks this particular support here, we do not have anything. At least we can expect a drop of 70 to 100 pips if we see good amount of volume on the chart. Okay, right now there is not much volume, so expecting a good breakdown below 3321 is okay, not a wise thing. Okay, otherwise during the US session, okay, if market drops with volume, then we can expect a selling opportunity below 3321. Before US session, where the volume is low, we can expect 3323, 3327 to act as support as well. Okay, and at the top, okay, and at the top we have a resistance around 3357 and 3352. This resistance is also very much valid. Yesterday we did not discuss about this resistance because this resistance was not a very strong one. Okay, but today, okay, if market stays like this, means low volume, you can expect a resistance around this area. So when market will cross 3350 area, listen to me carefully, when market will cross 3350 area, observe the market's behavior on 5 or 15 minutes time frame. If you see the market is struggling, if you see the market is showing price rejection from above, if you see a shooting star kind of a pattern, then only you can go for a sell position. But if you see that there is a sudden bull power, okay, then you need to avoid it, because 335753, 332723, okay, these are the minor levels, weak levels. So you need to, okay, okay, observe the market before taking the decision. Okay, and 33663370, okay, this particular area is still very much valid. Okay, if market goes up, observe the market. If market struggles, we can look for a sell position. But as we have already discussed at the beginning of the video, if market breaks 3370, we can expect upside. So as a day trader, you can look for a buy position as well. Initially keep your target on 50 pips. After 50 pips, if you see the market has further potential, you can continue. But at the breakout also we are expecting 50 pips, because the momentum, remember the momentum is not very high right now. You cannot expect that after breaking 3370 market will straight go to 3400. No, if it goes, well and good, but obviously we cannot have high hopes from the beginning. Okay, so initially, okay, just target 50 pips. After 50 pips, if you see that the momentum is still very high, and then you can, okay, carry forward. Okay, otherwise 3366, 3370, one level, two trading opportunities. If it reverses, we can go for a sell. If it goes up, we can look for a breakout. And the support around 3303, 3300 is still very much valid. Okay, is still very much valid. If market drops, we can look for a buy around this area. And as I have been saying for the last few days that, okay, the chart of gold is not very promising. Okay, so as a result, if you're a beginner, new trader, you're struggling with capital, okay, then this is not the ideal chart. You should avoid gold strictly. You will find better opportunities outside gold. But if you love to trade on gold, stick to the levels and work on your exit. If your trade goes wrong, okay, then please exit after 50 to 60 pips, because if you hold your bad trades, then obviously, okay, it can be a big dent on your P&L, profit and loss statement. So be careful. The chart is not doing very well right now. Market is struggling for direction. Okay, so trade accordingly. Okay, and the levels that I have mentioned, okay, are not very promising right now, and this is the main reason why trading is so difficult, because it is subjective. One level, two trading opportunities, isn't it? So you need to observe and then take the decision. If any sudden move comes and things change drastically, then please join the Telegram community. I will be updating there. Okay. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye.